How to insert and eject a SIM card on a Samsung Galaxy S25. Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing us how to insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S25. I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for this tutorial. First thing you want to do is, if you have your SIM card, you're going to want a SIM eject tool. And if you have your paperwork, your box, the original box, you can find it in there. So once you open up the box, there is an area that has your charging, the charger in that area. Go ahead, pull that out. You will find a SIM eject tool. It should look like this. Once you have that, we'll proceed. Let's say you do not have it. You could use a pin, a needle, anything that is long and hard that you can use to poke into that hole. So right here, we'll go to the bottom of the device. Front, back, here we are at the bottom. You will see there is a cutout right here, and it's got a hole. So take your SIM eject tool, stick it in the hole, apply some pressure, and just like that, it slowly slides out. Once that's out, you can go ahead, grab it with your fingers and pull it out. There are two sides of this tray. There is the bottom and there is the top. The top side has a angled cut, and that angled cut is right there. There's an angled cut. And when you are installing your SIM card, you'll align it to where the angled portion of the SIM card, which is right here, fits in that area right there. So once you have that, go ahead, slide it. And just like that, it fits in there and it holds tight. And then we're going to want to take it and install it. Once again, when you're installing it, make sure to line up the SIM tray so that the hole lines up with the hole that's there. And then go ahead and push it. And just like that, make sure it's nice and flush. Just like that, it is installed. And if you wanted to remove it, once again, get your SIM eject tool out, or if you have a paper clip, something like that, go ahead, apply some pressure. And at that point, it slides it out. I'm just using my fingernail and pulling it back. And just like that, it is out. Bump it, and just like that, your SIM card is now out. Once again, when you're reinstalling your SIM tray, make sure that lines up. It will only go in there one way. And just like that, boom, got it replaced. So that is my quick tutorial on how to insert and eject a SIM card on a Samsung Galaxy S25. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please pass it on to them. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. Peace.